Throughout my education, I have never needed to focus on assessing others, as I was the individual who was being assessed. Upon entering Teachers College, I needed to learn how to accurately assess students on their abilities and how well they understood certain topics and materials. This came as a challenge, as the assessment that I had received in my elementary school years was extremely different from what is offered now. This course has allowed me to better explore the importance of daily assessment through the use of anecdotal notes and checklists and other strategies, and how to use that data to form grades for students. It is important to remember that all students have a great potential, and each of that potential appears differently for each individual student. As a teacher, you must be able to create assessments that will accurately depict a student's ability to improve their knowledge rather than set them up to the same standards. Each student deserves the time and attention to create individual assessments about their growth as a student rather than their growth as a class at large. This research study has influenced my teaching practice greatly, as I need to remember that each assessment, while it might be the same, is applied to each student differently based on their abilities to grow.